At topics. Yes. Madonna's. Some have people who reach out to me and they have them at topics where they want to bring in. I'm gonna start to voice them by, you know, letting you guys know. I wanna give me on a feedback. You know, I'm a judge, I'm a jury. So I go talk about the topics and give me 2 cents. Okay? So these are gonna be consistent content that I'm gonna be posting. How about that? That sound good? All right, let's get right into it because me now waste no time. Put on my testicles. All right, so this person said dating a Jamaican woman with older children is very difficult, especially when they wasn't in the children life because of employment. Oh, some of them would never let the children go, even though they will up in their age. Massa, oh, you sound like you throw word for me, so. Well, I was employed. Let me take out my testicles so I can relax. Anyways, guys, if you don't get what that person said, let me read it back again. Let me read it back so I can get it in my head. Dating a Jamaican woman with older children is very difficult, especially when they wasn't in the children life because of employment. Some of them would never let the children go, even though they will up in age. Okay, so we as a mother, we can't help that. We are loving, and this is my answer to that. Married in a Jamaican woman with older children is very difficult. That's what they said, right? Even when the children them old and up in them age, and that is me. That part is me. It's like me can't let my children them go. Like me never ready for them move out of my house yet. Even though them ready for move out and go live them life. Yeah, me understand, but that is just love. Like we not grow with children them like robots. I mean, I'm speaking for myself. But if as a mother and you're a Jamaican mother, I even a mother overall, especially black moms, um, I don't know if you guys are like me, but I can testify to that. Some of what he's saying. It's like it's hard for me to let my children go. They always feel like they are my babies. And me will look out for them to the T. I'm not gonna see how I go hard for my children them because me love my children them. Me love my children them. I know every mother is like that. Some mother say, if you buck your foot, stay out there with it. If you buck your foot in a way where me can help you, me I go help you. That's my children. We carry them come here. And it no matter how old them get, me I go always be their mother. I me love them. For me, if send out my children go at college, it would have been very hard to send them off at the age of 18 on them own. It's like you send them gone for go and fetch themselves. When my last daughter did want to go to college, but live pandemic, I tell her no. She not going. She drive, she drive, me I tell her, she mad in here. And I say, well, when you go, don't come back. Stay right there and live your life. Because, and it's just because me know say, sending her off to college, I have seen it happen where kids get, them do kids so many things in college, like where them, give them um drugs and crack and all kind of things happen, party, dams and them something upon college. I was just scared. I was just a scared mother because I know that I have been through things that I am trying to protect my children from. And even though she's 18, she becomes an adult, sometimes they don't make wise decisions. I have spoke to a 90 something year old lady when I just came into this country. And she told me that um, she couldn't wait to send her child to school. And I was like, why? So he can learn to pay bills. And this is how they prepare their children. But to me, some of them, the way how they deal with the children, them, like they are robots. Do you see when they smile at you? They deal with you like a robot. Like they have no feelings. Like it's just I don't know. Pay attention. If you are around some people and you see them act a certain way, it's like them not have no compassion. And that is not what I want. I am a loving, caring person, and I just want my children to adapt love and care for people. When you send them out, it's like them get so mental abuse from so early, like they struggle. A lot of them, especially in our community, they struggle. They go through a lot, and they don't have that support in college. Especially you send them gone now on different state and different part of the world. If anything happen, you can't run, go to them. And I am just not that parent. Kudos to everybody who do it. I'm fine. Some kids will turn out fine. I'm sure a lot of kids regret going. So before I made that mistake, I want to make preparation where she have a car, um, she have a little job here where she can work and me contribute to her getting a car. She work her little car and the rest of money what she have to do with her payment. She drive her car and go on a school. So I have tried to help her in different ways so she can get to school on time. She don't have to take bus and train and struggle. You get what I mean? And I am that kind of mother who don't let go their children. I will do fix up, help them in any way to help them grow. And I will still be there and encourage them. But that doesn't mean I'm gonna make that get enough interfere with my love life because that is something different, it's separate. But I'm gonna still be there for my children until the day I pass. So it's literally sound like you are sure shade for me, sir. But if you're a mother and you understand what I'm saying, it's just that I did not have that support from my parents, and I want to have give my children that support until they become an adult. Of course I leave them to make their own decision now that they are grown. Of course I'm not going to get involved to all that, no. But when they reach out to me that they need that support and I can do it, I am going to do it. Yeah. And that's how I look at it, and that's how I look at life. Because I didn't have it, I want to give it to them. They are older, and of course I tell them no, of course. And if they ever get themselves involved in anything that is against the law, believe me, I am not supporting that. But when it come on to love and bonding, I am there for my children. And if that's something that it caused that I have to do for them, of course I'm going to do it. For my grandchildren, the same thing. Once I'm able, I am going to do it. And that's just me. I love my children, I love my family, and I think that's okay. But one thing you have to do, you have to separate your love life from your children. So when it's time for them, it's time for them. It does all right. So, like for instance, now I my son moved, right? Well, my son moved. He's not here now, but I'm just showing you something. He's not here. He want his mother to help out, get an apartment for him and stuff for it, so that him family can settle down and thing, because they weren't here. So they want to, relocate back here and settle down. I make sure that if I have something to do in my house, I do it. When my husband is not here, I gone over my son. Once he's here, I try to be here in the present. If but if not, me gone over there, gone help out do little things because them just move. So the more help them get, is the better for them to settle down and to make it becomes a home. But when my husband they here, then me with the home. You get what I mean? So there are certain things. I mean, when them just move, that is a different case. But now that them are settled down, me not have to run go over there unless him not there here. So, them they are them own. So but them still a try for settling. So for instance, things like that is important to me to see them settling and make them house become a home. It's just my goal to actually watch over them, especially my son not here because him quickly fix up everything and be comfortable, but he's not here. So I try to play that part in my grandchildren's life and his wife to make sure that they are comfortable. So I will play that role in their family too, not just for my children, but for their family as long as I am close with them. Because sometimes your children are dating and living with people that you're not close with, and you cannot tell them what to do because they're adults. But if I am close with my in laws, I am going to be involved as much as I can. And I mean, me now go like depend them back or get involved in a them private business. No, that's not it. Like if them have a disagreement, please keep me out of it because I don't want to be a part of that. No. And it's not like I'm going to take sides. Me we split justice. Maybe sometimes it might come off like me as take side. That's why me no want to hear them drama. No come to me with it. Okay? Me rather don't hear it. Keep it to yourself. Especially when you're in a one relationship like a marriage. Me no want to hear no drama. You can keep it to yourself. Okay? Because I am not gonna be the one to divide anyone. If me see say red flags there before you're married, then me I go split my gut. And if me see say I'm not married with regardless, me stay out of it. Me no want to be in a part of it. I don't want to be in a part of it. You know, keep it to myself. Okay? And that's me, but me attached to my children them, me love my children them, and until the day I leave this earth, that's just it. I love all of my children. Okay? And that's it. That is my 2 cents. Guys, tell me what you think in the comment section below. And don't forget to like the video. I am looking for your honest feedback in this content that I'm creating. So leave your support and I will check them out. Adios. Bye.